Hey everybody, welcome. I'm here today for Jessica Lynn Original, and I'm participating in the Love Your Pets blog hop. This hop features two new stamp sets called Celine's Kittens and Flynn's Puppies. They are adorable. And this blog hop goes from $4.21 to $4.29. Now, a special feature of this hop is that if you have any Jessica Lynn pet stamps, you can participate by linking up your project using their pet stamps to their blog hop post. For every card link, they will donate 50 cents to a local group called Lucky Mutts Rescue. The links to the blog post and the rescue website can be found in my video description. So what would a blog hop be without a giveaway? And I'm going to do one. All you need to do is watch, subscribe, and comment to this video, and then I'll be back on April 30th to announce the winner. And I'll send this out to anyone, international or US. So let's take a look at the card I made for this video post. I'm actually going to be doing 3 posts, 1 video and 2 static posts. Today's video features this just wonderful little corgi and this interior sentiment, but the set comes with a lot of different sentiments and 3 different dogs. So let's take a closer look. This is the corgi in the set, and the roses here also come in the set. I just chose to cut them out and use them as accents. And then the interior sentiment came with it as well. Our best friends are like angels from above. They come into our lives filled with love. So as I mentioned, this particular stamp set is new in their store right now, and it has 3 dogs. We've got the corgi, a little lab, and also a pug, and they're all puppies, hence the name of the set, Flynn's Puppies. And we've also got several sentiments in here. There's the one I just showed you in the interior of the card, then life is better with a dog, thank you, and yappy birthday. Here's a close-up of the graphic for the stamp set. And now I want to show you my very own corgi dog. This is Rocky, whom we adopted just a couple months ago. He's 2 years old, and he is just adorable and so much fun, and he's who I modeled my card after. So here's my card again, and let's take a look at the coloring. Now I've sped this up quite a lot because I am such a slow colorer, and something happened at the very end. I had colored in the roses on this dog, and my camera stopped. I didn't realize it, so I'm not able to show you that part of it. Now the dog's fur are primarily 3 colors, and these are Spectrum Noir markers. Lightest to darkest is GB8, EB3, and EB5. And then I also use a little bit of IG2, which is a cool gray color here and there. And then I use a white Jelly Roll pen for the white areas to go over that. And when I'm done, I use a black fine line marker just to go over the outlines of the dog again, because the alcohol ink kind of dilutes the darkness of the lines. And so I like the crisp lines of the stamp, and I just kind of put those back in after I've finished with the coloring. Now the little roses on the head are CR1 and DR2, and I used a little bit of Wink of Stella clear marker on just parts of the roses just to give them some glitter and shine as well. I do want to say that the stamp set is of super high quality. It's very thick, kind of the consistency really of a rubber stamp rather than a clear acrylic stamp. Jessica Lynn Original has been around for 13 years, and she's done a great job with her product. I hope you go out to the store and take a look at what she has to offer. This card's a thank you card, and we're going to give it to a friend of ours who also has a corgi who helped us out so much when we first got Rocky. Rocky was adopted from a good home, but you know, we're new dog owners, and they have a corgi already named Dolly. And Dolly was pretty excited to see Rocky, so excited that she bought Rocky a 3-month subscription to BarkBox. So this is a thank you from Rocky to Dolly for being so kind and considerate. Now, as you notice, I stamped this on kind of an angled piece of cardstock, and it's going to go on the top of an A2 size card. I just applied some foam tape here to the back of it, and that will let it stand up just a little bit and give it some more interest. But I like using the angle. Once in a while, it's nice to use something besides circles, ovals, and squares. And I did the same thing then with the sentiment. I used this kind of teardrop shape, which I have in a die set from Avery L. Now, the next step was to create a little bow, and I did that out of just some sewing floss. And then I want to talk about these roses for a second. There is a single rose in the stamp set, so I stamped 5 of those, colored them, and then applied glossy accents to the top before I fussy cut them out and used them here as my card accent. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you'll take the time to go to the video description and follow the links to the other blog hop posts so you can see all the different cards being made by the different artists involved. Before you go, though, don't forget to subscribe and comment so that you can get in my drawing and possibly win a brand new free set of your own of Flynn's Puppies. I'll see you soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye.